Hello guys, I'm back with a new interesting video. In this video, our topic is biology. So I'm back with a new episode of biology series. So in this video, we are going to learn about cells and tissues. Okay? Cells and tissues. Okay? So you know what a cell is? Because I have explained in around 2 episodes back, or 1 episode back. In the first episode of biology, I have explained you what is a cell. So let's learn what is a tissue now. So let's learn what is a tissue. So let's talk about tissue in a simple way. I think many of you know what is tissue. Yes. So tissue is the combination. Yeah. A tissue is the group of cells combined together without any with a very less intercellular spaces. And do you know what is intercellular spaces? Okay, let's let's go about chemistry. Chemistry, you know what are molecules? Yes, in solids, you know what are solids? Yes. So the molecules of solids, let me draw this. Yeah, the molecules of solids will be tightly packed. Yes, they are very rigid and they are very tightly packed. And the intermolecular spaces, yes, the spaces between the molecule will be intermolecular spaces. And in a tissue, let's say this is a tissue and these are the cells. So the gap between each cell is intercellular space. In chemistry, we call it as intermolecular spaces. In biology, we will call it as intercellular spaces. And there is no link between atoms and cells, because the non-living things are made up of atoms and living things are made up of cells. So don't get confused between atoms and cells. Okay, atoms all will come under chemistry and cells will come under biology. Okay, so first I think you have understood about tissue. A tissue is the group of cells combined together with a very less intercellular spaces. The gap between every cell is really less, very less. Okay, we can't even imagine how less it will be. So it will be that much less. Okay, so I think you have understood about the tissues. Okay, so if you have understood about the tissues, let's go about the types of tissues. Okay, types of tissues. There are 2 types of tissues. What are those 2 types? Plant tissue, yes, plant tissue, and second one is animal tissue. Plant tissues and animal tissues, because even in plant and animals tissues, again there will be 4 types each. Okay, so for example, let's take types of plant tissues. Okay, types of plant tissues. There are again 4 types of plant tissues. What are those? Meristematic tissue, yes, meristematic tissue. Next, ground tissue, and vascular tissue, ground tissue, vascular tissue, dermal tissue. So these are the 4 types of tissues in plant tissues. And again there are 4 types in animal tissues also. Types of animal tissues. And again there are 4 types of animal tissues. There are epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue, and nervous tissue. So these are the total 8 types of tissue in different categories of tissue. There are 2 categories of tissue, plant tissue and animal tissues. And in plant tissues there are 4 types. Yes, meristematic tissue, vascular tissue, ground tissue, dermal tissue. And in animal tissues there are 4 types. Yes, what are those? Epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue, nervous tissue. So these are the tissues in plant cells and animal cells, animal tissues. Okay. So in next episode, I think this episode is really smaller. Okay. In next episode will be really interesting because I am going to explain all the 4 types of. I am going to explain about all 4 types of tissues and plant tissues. It will be really interesting, guys. Do watch this video. Don't miss it. Okay. So because I am making these videos because they will be already in textbook. Because this is class 9. This full is class 9. It will be already in textbook. But the way of teaching should be appropriate to them. Yes. So they should understand. You should understand my way of teaching. So if you can't understand my way of teaching, please comment. It is really helpful to you. It's really helpful to you only. If you can't understand my way of teaching, please put it in the comment section. Okay. So I can improve my way of teaching such that you can understand very easily. Yes. So don't feel free with me. Okay. Feel free with me. If you have any doubt in any subject, it may be chemistry, maths, physics, trigonometry, biology, any subject it may be. If you have, except languages. Okay. So because I should not talk in Hindi. Yes, I should not talk in Telugu because I can't talk. But these videos should understand to everyone. If I will talk in Telugu, only Telugu persons will understand. How can you understand? Yes. If I talk in Hindi, only North Indian people or those people who can understand Hindi can understand. But can you understand? No. So English is the universal language that anyone can understand. Yes. So that is why I am making the videos in English. So except languages, you can ask any doubt in any subject from 1st class to 12th class. Any class. If you have any doubt, just post it in the comment section of any video. In which video comments are enabled, in that video just post it in the post the comment of. Okay. So because I am telling this all because the understanding the conceptual understanding is really important. Yes. So when you write JEE mains or IIT exams, conceptual understanding is really important because you can't buttify the maths, you can't by heart the maths. Yes, you have to understand the maths. But if you buttify the physics, biology, if you buttify these, you can write. I am not telling you that you can't write. You can write, but no knowledge is gained by hearting. No knowledge is gained by buttifying. But if you understand the concept and write by your own, you will be gaining the knowledge. Yes, as well as you can write by your own without any tension. Yes, stress will be reduced by understanding. So there are so many advantages of conceptual understanding. So if you want, yes, if you have really doubt, just post in the comment section. Either I will be replying in the comments itself or I will making the separate video of the doubt. Okay. So that's all about today, guys. Thanks for watching till this. Yes, so if you like this video, just hit the like button, because YouTube can know that how many views coming. Yes, if this channel can't grow, I can't clarify your doubts. Yes, this channel remains as channel only. YouTube can't verify it. Okay, so just like this video if you liked. Okay, and if you have any doubts, just post in the comment section. And if you want more knowledgeable videos and more educational videos which will be very easy to understand, please subscribe my channel. You will really enjoy the videos what I am making, because the way of teaching will be like this. The way of teaching is totally different from the schools. Yes, what the teacher says is just butifying. I am not saying that every teacher says butify. Some teachers will be there. They are really good. They will make you to understand. So in those teachers, I want to be one. Okay. So please subscribe my channel to grow my channel. By growing my channel, I can clear your doubts. Yes. So the growth of my channel is helpful to you only. Okay. So just subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. With a leaf signing off, your logical brilliance.